Hello, fellow Rosarians. One of the joys of having a garden is sharing it with others, and I'm glad that I get to share it with you. I'm located in Zone 7B here in Southern Maryland, and so I am a huge advocate for organic gardening. We're on the river, and I want to make sure that I'm being a good steward for the environment, and then also encouraging all of the beneficials into a garden with bees and butterflies. So not only do I garden organic, and I hope that interests you, and even if you're not organic gardening right now, maybe you're considering it and you want to learn more about it, and I'm glad you're here. So in addition to gardening tips and maintenance, we're going to do unboxings so that you know who you're going to order from the fall, what to expect, how long it takes, and how much the overall cost is, so you can make an educated decision when you're ordering. And then of course I'm also going to share with you all of the blooms that we have. I have almost 400 roses, and I'm really hoping to open your eyes to different rose varieties and colors that you can put into your garden to make it yours. Thanks so much.